capture light when taking photos dictates the feeling of an image. When you're beginning in photography, a pretty common tip is to protect the shadows so that you can retain details in those parts of the image. And there's nothing really wrong with that. But as you grow and get inspired by other incredible photographers, you begin to experiment with different techniques that help bring a certain style or character to your images and start breaking these rules. Personally, I've been experimenting with different looks, and I've noticed more and more on how I'm leaning into focusing on the highlights and the midtones and just crushing my shadows. Photographers like Webb do this a lot, and the effect of the images is just jaw-dropping to me. Again, there's nothing wrong with wanting shadow detail, but exposing purely for brighter things like your subject in some cases, and just almost crushing your shadows gives a different look and character to your images. These are some examples of a scene I recently shot. I exposed for the brighter parts of the image and made a composition where the focus is entirely the subject and just almost crushed the shadows. So no, you don't need to expose for the shadows. In art, we're encouraged to break these rules. So let me show you how I go about it. Expose for the ground or where the light is hitting. Expose for the ground. This corner is going crazy, but I like this thing over there. See if I can spot myself here. And again, I'm metering for the ground over here, or where the light is setting. But point is, I'm metering for the light, and then sometimes I use my exposure meter if I think it's too bright or too dark. These shadows are really nice. Exposing for the color, not the shadow. This whole spot is great because the contrast because of the ice. When you shoot it in black and white, I feel like it just makes everything pop, really. I encourage all you guys to play around with this. This was really, really fun. Experimenting with this has been really helpful, and again, it was just really fun to try out. If you're liking these videos, please subscribe. It really helps out and motivates me to keep doing these. Peace.